Glowed up. We glowed up. Oh man, look this guy. We are the glowed up.
Got the car crew going down. And you got the slam the cord going on here. Mr. Alex. Yo, you're gonna lead to Anthony's. I don't know where he's.
Huh?
I don't know where Anthony lives from here.
Oh, really?
I've only been to his house once.
Oh.
Do you think you can get here?
Yeah.
See you guys there. Alright guys, we just made a quick trip.
Hi, Eric.
Park with the crew, park with the crew.
Hold on, hey, get all the cars.
SI. That's Colt, that's mine. That's mine. Justin's Lexus. You know, see, someone's Infinity would go right here.
My ruckus.
Got the lower the cord. And got this Mazda Speed.
I am the one.
You know, I don't think any of us need a gas.
I don't need gas.
Go inside.
We just parked squad.
I might get another Red Bull.
Yo, let's go. Fucking my mom's oil change. For 45 bucks.
$45?
Oil and filter.
Oh man.
Screw Honda. $12.
I don't even know where we're going. I'm just following him around.
Let me see this quick. Alright. Hi people of Eric's vlog. I'm taking over for tonight.
What up?
Hi.
Okay.
Hey, hi, I'm Cole. This time I don't vlog, so this is kind of awkward.
Oh yeah.
But yes.
Hey man.
Look what Eric did. Savage.
Savage.
Oh look, he's wannabe Club SI, but he's not. Because we're Club SI. Holy shit. Solder?
Somewhere.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
And this is Eric. This is SI Club right here. SI Club. And Eric's is a V8 twin turbo, 4-liter, supercharged, tri-charged, cammed. Oh, it's rotary too as well.
Now, if you guess the price, you win a 2014
15 Civic Si Final Edition, because they're not making them anymore. Look at the difference between a 2-door 2013 and a 2015 4-door. This one's so much prettier. Yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm taking my new camera. Oh, look at this. Okay, hey, it's TJ Hunt back. About to go to Calvin's house and install my wide body. Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, TJ back here. Just picked up Calvin. We're about to install my wide body.
Fuck hard.
It's my turn to take over this vlog. This is my Honda Ruckus. With the push of a button, you can start it.
Chill there.
Chill where?
Cenotopia, guys.
Cenotopia.
I got handed the Civic keys. Alright. Clutch and neutral. Woo! We're about to head out. Just kidding, we're just parking our cars. So if people need gas, then they can get gas. Look at my car. Jace is driving it. Jace is backing my car up.
Wait.
Here's a bag of nuts.
It's one person.
Oh, Bryce is the man.
Stick the jawline out, girl. Ooh.
Oh, wait a second. I gotta put his Club Lexus, bro.
Bet.
Club Lexus.
Bet. Will you dance for us? Oh my gosh. I am the only one. Oh, look how cute they are. Are you guys gonna hold hands or what?
Alright guys, so now we're gonna head up with the cruise with the crew. We're going up to a parking garage in the nicest part of town. See you guys there.
Oh dude, you're supposed to do this.
We're gonna hang.
Tell us your story. There's no point, man. There's no proof.
The story is, guys, he didn't get caught. The end. See you guys. Kidding.
color.
Wait, did y'all three follow each other?
Oh, I followed this guy. He followed the
Pull up more, Cole.
It was still dark, so maybe he had key told her to go a different way. No, dude, there's only one way to get here.
Cole. Cole, pull up more. You pull up more. Pull out more.
These are my cars. Welcome to my crib, MTV Cribs. Saw Skyline?
Skyline.
I mean,
Toyota Lexus. This right here, guys, is the
Holy
view of South
shit.
Carolina.
I'm scared, dude. I'm afraid of heights.
Are you for real?
Dude, I can barely, dude. First time on the Prowler, I underestimated that shit. First drop, I was like, oh fuck! Views from the 6.
Views from the 6, guys.
I just took a shit.
He took a shit, never mind.
Watch your profanity. Cuss,
So after a slight detour with cops, an hour and a half later,
Sorry.
it's his fault. So we got followed by cops, and Alex almost got caught, but he got out of there.
So if you guys want to hear the story, the reason why my car's not here is because it's at my friend's house and it's hiding. We're cruising on the way here actually, and one of my friends was kind of speeding, and I got a little provoked because I haven't trouble.
Oh shit!
Who the fuck went?
Actually, put that in the vlog.
I got it.
I kind of took off, and there's a cop at an intersection. And he saw me, I saw him. It was obvious.
Eric!
So going around this corner, I kind of just turned my lights off and try to evade, I guess you could say. His lights were not or anything, but you can tell he's coming after me. Going into like this Walmart, and then I saw him trying to block off one other street, so I had to do a U-turn. We'll post a picture of my car during the video so you can kind of see. And gave me an idea how difficult it may have been. My car is lowered and it rubs at full lock, so I had to do like a 4-point turn, even U-turn. So I just rushed into like this little square parking lot in the back of Walmart under a tree in the shade. I just decided to walk into Walmart, kind of be incognito a bit, and the cop drove right by me and nothing happened. And so we just kind of cooled off for a little bit, but now we're here, so it's chill, bro.
Now we're here. One car less, though. But hey, that's okay.
One car less? What do you mean? My car's right there.
One car less, the slammed cord would have been right there.
So 2 cars less.
What do you mean?
My car.
Oh, he didn't drive because he's a pussy.
Dude,
Watch my profanity.
but Linda's watching this.
It's okay.
Stop. I'm just joking. Because when I cuss, they're like, stop, Jace. Linda's in here. Linda baby. I'm like, boy. I'm just kidding. Just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Don't kill me, yo. I'm sorry.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god!
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Replay that. Replay that.
I'll show it again right here, guys.
Alright, so I fucked up. I hit my head real hard. My wrist fucking hurts. I can't flinch. Actually, I can flinch it now, but before I couldn't. Yo, I fucked up. Trick. Oh, bet.
When you're a hardcore photographer, this is what behind the scenes look like. Oh, sharp. Twisting the knobs and such.
That right here.
Oh! Alright guys, my battery's running low, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Some photo shoots going on. Alright guys, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.